Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Mango Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Mango Live on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now go ahead and select Settings. At the bottom of your screen, you can see Delete Account. Go ahead and tap on it. After 60 seconds, the cancellation button is activated. You can go ahead and click on it. Agree on the terms and conditions of deleting your account. Tap on Cancellation once again. If you are sure about deleting your Mango Live account, tap on Confirm. And that's it. This is how you delete your account on Mango Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.